my dick.
Again with your thunder?
You can suck my dick. Ah! If we kind of fired.
Shit, here you go.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, later. There you go, son. There you go, son. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Send the frame for.
Yeah, put the
Alright.
frame. Actually, don't spend it. Frame it. Frame it.
Alright, you guys have a good day.
Alright, stay up.
This guy likes dick.
Bro.
We're not going home. That shit is crazy.
Did you see the light?
Yeah, that thing made me blind.
I saw like right here, like it was right there.
Yeah, I saw like, I was like, who the fuck's taking pictures? And I saw it over there.
Look, everything went on. I think they're closed, actually. Oh shit. Okay, so how do people don't want to go?
We got manual now. Stop sign. Or next.
The cops. Oh,
Oh, there the lights are back on.
What the hell?
Hey, city. I'm fucking
Here,
speeding.
look at my mom. Tired and she should go home.
Serio, what the fuck? That shit fucking was bright as fuck, fool. Oh, fuck. That shit fucking my eyes. What the fuck are we doing out here, Rod?
I don't know.
This is all your fault. No.
I know what it is. Get the fuck out of here.
I wanna go home. Somebody drive. I'm scared. Somebody take the wheel.
No pienso que vamos a ir porque ya empezó a llover.
The storm. Did you see the thunder?
Sí, porque ya empezó a llover. Ya está.
Voy a get it on camera.
Hasta hay thunder.
Ahí está.
Rayos.
Ok, ahí miro porque
Están cayendo rayos.
con cuidado porque están cayendo rayos.
Nos vamos a morir.
Like, yeah, barbecue's not happening.
No, definitely fucking not. Thank God.
Hey, Michael's birthday party was today.
Hey, I don't want to see more fucking thunder.
Me neither.
Fuck you, Tony.
You can suck my
Again with
dick.
your thunder?
You can suck my dick. Ah! Ah, my camera too.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
What the fuck? We scream like bitches.
Oh shit.
Fuck, I hate
What
that
the fuck? Are you hearing that?
Alright, so as soon as we park, we need to fucking run.
Oh, there goes the studio sessions. Damn.
We're all screaming like little bitches.
What the fuck, dude?
I'm going to town.
My mom said they're packing everything already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why'd you say I bail?
Oh, because they're like, oh,
Oh shit!
Hey, you can't hang with lemonade. What? You can't hang with lemonade. You can't hang with the lemonade. Look, he took a lemonade, too much sugar, he can't hang. Look, he's knocked out. Oh my God, Fora. Hey, Fora's here. Fora's here.
no Jeezy.
Oh, Jeezy, how's it going, man?
What's up?
Yo, yo, yo. Oh shit, you've been recording him. What's up? It's Fora from Harris Philly. You need it?
I can never ever finish this. Damn. It looks more bomb on camera.
We're not coming again.
Yeah, we're not coming again. This is whack. This is whack.
This is not a beer, this is apple juice.
Apple juice.
AJ.
We don't drink. What the fuck? Beer's nasty. Beer's nasty as fuck. We got lemonade here. What's up, guys? I'm here at Late Dog Food. Lockout Records.
I got one rule in life. Don't share fries with dogs. Don't do it.
You know what day you got off?
Wanna know why?
got off with me?
He's the fry man.
You, huh?
How you feeling? You close?
How am I feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. They're just making fun of me because I want to go to kickbacks.
What are you, in high school?
Yeah.
I have my friends now. They're bomb ass me on Lazy Dog. We're gonna head home. chill for a little bit. What? I love when people stare at me talking like why they're like why is that guy talking to a camera?
Exactly the point. Why is he talking to that
'Cause
camera?
I'm talking to my Rodsters.
Oh shit. That's right. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody watching right now. Rod, he's hilarious. You want to know Buzz?
I'm just got killed.
Oh, you want to see my Woody?
Well,
I ain't talking about Toy Story, bro. Subscribe now or surrender to the madness.
Even if you are, if you are.
Remember that.
But I feel bad.
Rod Vlog.
I never fucking feel comfortable
Peace out.
sitting there.
What I'm gonna say is, I don't know who you are, and I don't know what you've done with Rod, but I have this high fucking skills, and I will find you, and you will die.
Oh my god, stop threatening me right now. This is not even funny.
If you don't start doing that gay shit right now, you're gonna fucking die. Straight up.
Yeah.
Just going through your photos.
My name is Trina. Remember you were talking to me?
Shut up, daddy.
Oh my god, Junior.
I'll tell him. Yeah. Aquí estamos en el garage.
Sí, buenas tardes, le quiero mandar saludos a todos los que están allá mirando Rod Vlogs, V with the V, like vodka. Vaca.
And vagina. What?
Saludos para todos los que están allá en la cámara ahí, nomás todo el día, nomás mirándose cómo están de chulos ahí por ahí. TWN, Alex, you know how we do, FT Live all day, every day. This ain't no game. Take it for this for fun.
This ain't no joke.